Imagine you are making a game and you want to know who will play it, what they like, what they don't like, and how they want to play. Creating a user persona is a bit like that, but for making digital things, it helps us understanding the people who will use what we create. In this video, we will break it down step by step. We will talk about who your users are, what they enjoy doing, and even what snacks they might like. Just kidding on the snacks part, but that would be fun, right? So get ready to become a persona creator and let's go.
So guys, as you know, we have already done our research, then our interview session. Now it's time to create the user persona. And what is this user persona is actually? Basically, it is a fictional character that we create out of those data which we have collected in our research phase and interview phase. So basically, we name that fictional character, we select their image. You can pick up any stock image and you can name whatever you want, like Jonathan, Max, or Kevin, whatever you want, right? But why this fictional character is important, why creating the user persona is important, let's get understand in the next slide. Here I have mentioned the importance of user personas in product development or product designing. So first one is understanding users. So here I have mentioned that creating user persona provides insight to user goals, behavior, pain points, and preference, helping in creation of product and tailored to their needs. So basically, we create a persona, we create a fictional character, fictional human, that this is our perfect customer, and according to that perfect customer, according to that fictional character, we tailor or we customize our product, right? And obviously it helps to enhance the UX design, or you can say user experience overall. And obviously it helps you to reduce the risk of going product in a wrong way, right? So this is why creating persona is pretty important. Now let's understand how to create the user persona or user profile. So to create user persona profile, first you need to add their demographic details like their age, gender, occupation, location, so that you can get an idea that for whom you want or you are going to create the product. Then you need to add the behavioral patterns as well, and behavioral patterns we get from our interviews, as I have already told you, right? So you need to add those behavioral patterns and pain points which you generated through those interviews and surveys, right? And after that, background story. So basically, you can craft a narrative that captures the persona's motivation, goals, and challenges, which provides deeper context for understanding their needs, right? So this is how you can create a user persona profile. Now let's go to the next slide. Here I have mentioned key components of the user persona, right? So first one is demographics, obviously, like their age, gender, income, education level, family status, their location, and tons of other things which comes under demographics. After that, psychology, which is kind of a behavioral patterns like their attitude, their values, their lifestyle, their interest, their disinterest, personality traits, and other sort of things, right? And then what are their end goals? You need to decide their end goals as well, like what end goal or what outcome the persona is expecting from the product which you are designing, right? That could be the end goal, right? Now here I have mentioned using user persona to inform product decision. So how you can use that user persona to inform your product decision or product designing, basically to customize your product designing. Obviously, whatever the data you got, according to that data you can do the feature prioritization based on what is the most valuable thing or valuable element on their specific needs or preference, right? Then your content strategy can also be molded or designed according to that user persona. Then marketing alignment, whatever the marketing you are doing, whether it is paid or organic, you can create your marketing funnel or your overall marketing strategy according to that user persona, whatever the name you have kept, whatever the uh, age bracket you have kept, according to that data, you need to do all the things, right? I hope you understood why uh, persona creation is very important. Now in the next video, I'll show you how you can exactly create that persona in a practical way so that you can get a better idea about personas, right?